Okay, so good morning. Oh, panty. That's not my panty. That's my panty. Time check. It's 10 o'clock. So we're going to Bataan. See you in a bit. Let's go. Tara ma, let's go. We just saw ating tent. Dito pala siya sa Santa Cruz. Mamalengke. Okay, so we are here in Santa Cruz, Lubao, Banta. Yung ano, hindi naman nagbago na tayo. Tatandaan ko yan. Still the Mercury Drive. 7-Eleven. So yeah, we're on our way to Bataan. Bagak, Bataan. Sinabi ko ba Bagak, Bataan?
No.
No. In Las Casas. Aswad? Besides Las Casas. I just wanna see it. We just wanna visit it. Yeah. Kulot. Shout out sa'yo. Sana makita mo din to, pero she's not into history, so baka she won't like this. Channel of Gold Pawn Shop. Oh. Santa Cruz Public Market. Oh, ito, Santa Cruz Church. Okay, so our travel time is 1 hour and 30 minutes from San Vicente to Bagak, Bataan. And time check, it's 10:30, so probably around 12 noon we'll reach our destination. Tatay and
Diyan ako paano ipan ako.
Santay and
Ano magtoto? Diyan, oh.
Oh, magtoto. Oh yeah, alam ko yun, yung katabi ng clinic ni Doc na.
Kaya clinics kay Toto sa loob.
Save my battery for our videos later. Okay,
Buti na lang pag ano ko, mga siguro 5 minutes ako manabat, may dumaan na van. Yung Fernando. Mga sa Heroes. Ano pa nga ako eh. Saan kayo kuya? Pasbol lang. Wala sa'yo. Yung Fernando to.
nice view.
Easy text hold yan ako ganun. First week.
Ano na eh, we're close to Mount Samat Shrine. Pumunta ka na doon, Tay? Mount Samat Shrine.
Oh.
Sige, dire-dire.
Malayo pa yan.
Malayo pa ma.
Sasalita yan pag ano.
Oo. Tama yung tatay.
Mayabi yan.
Yup, yup. Eat all you can, but the authentic Filipino.
Pupunta rito eh.
See that shrine? It's part of the history. Di ba yun yung start of the Death March? They walk from Bataan to Intramuros. I'm not sure if that's the story, but yeah. The soldiers. The Philippine soldier. So that's why it's called Death March, because they walk from here to Intramuros. So, but I'll check my history if that's the true story. But yeah, that's why it was called the Death March, because many people have died. Bye-bye. Look at the beautiful view.
Bigay mo na.
The entrance gate. Muna, ano muna tayo mag-register, tapos babalik tayo dito tayo.
Yan ang parking mo.
Oo, no. Nice. Okay. So, we're here. It feels like we are in 1898. Yun, dito tayo again. Ayan. So, mga bahay yan. Yung first house on the left side. Kaya tayo? Nice. Oh, mahal kong Pilipinas. What the mga flag. Dami.
Mag-register tayo dyan.
Oo. Yun tayo dun sa may registration. Siguro, baba mo muna tayo dito. Pupunta muna tayo sa ano. Okay, baba muna kami para mag-register. Doon o, dun sa second floor. Oo, mag-register muna kami ni Mother Earth. Okay, look at those houses. So excited. Okay. Okay, day tour guys. Dito. Dito, day tour. Yes. Dito tayo mag-register on the left side. Dito ma. Register. Inside the reception. Hello. 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 We're here. So waiting for here. Just checking her phone. This is the registration area. Oh, here, ma. Female. Ayun o. Hey, there's a washroom here. Ay, ang ganda. It's beautiful. Tayo. Washroom? You wanna use the washroom tayo? Namakainig ka. Hindi ka kayo naman. Babae ka, ma. Nakalimutan mo ng babae ka. Ito lalaki. Ayun o. Nakabarong siya. Ito, naka-Pilipiniana. Dala mo na itong wipes na, mama. Hey, that's me. Oh, honey, we're sure here. Lai, Claude, and Carson. Look at the view of the washroom. It's nice, eh? Yep, mother. Punta kay Lalam. Tapos dinanda ka tang, sure kaya kay Tarisibon eh. Dilelem eh. At yung tang welcome drinks. Tapos, ano ko niyan? Tapos, magsakit ang jeep. Tayo ng jeep tayo. Let's go. Because we have to ride the jeep. But we have to ay ma, I mean, keep your ID na. We don't need
Yung
that
ID na, tabo mo.
anymore.
No.
Yep. So, we're gonna go downstairs to pick up our complimentary drinks. And we have to ride the jeep. Going to the hotel, the Oriental. Look at the capis. It's nice. Mother, let's go. Okay, we're gonna pick up our welcome drinks. Okay, dahan-dahan mga senyora. Now, here. Ma, come here. Let's go inside. Let's go get our welcome drinks. Maybe here? Dito siguro? Wait natin tayo. Dali. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. No, kaya pahat ko na. Cheers tayo. Cheers.
Yeah, mom, bed me.
Ayos. Gulaman eh. Kasi sawit eh. So good. It's a gulaman. Gulaman din.
Laman.
Oh. Sasakay kami ng jeep. Okay, oh? New Manila, Estero, we're gonna go ride a jeep. Ride a jeep niyo. Bayad muna bago bumaba. Nice ba, tay? Huwag mo ilulubat yung cellphone mo. Pag bibidyo ko to, yan pagpipicture mo, tay. Nice ba? Oh, pasok tayo dito, tay. Para may ano. Kasi para may space. Let's go this way, tay. Wow! Okay, so we're here inside the shop. On our way to the hotel oriented for our lunch. The lunch is from 12 noon to 3 p.m. So we have to avail it before that. Hindi, kayo umusog dito. Okay, see you in a bit.
Sabay po.
May pasahero pa.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hello. Nagsasakay pa ako. Hindi ko puno.
Sasayaw ko siya.
Kailangan punuan. That's the Jones Bridge. First up. Oh, beautiful. And on the hall. So no wet clothes or no pets allowed. Okay, so we're here at the hotel for our lunch. Okay. Pasok-pasok, huwag mahiya. Pwede na daw tayong mag-soup doon, tapos kumuha na daw tayo ng soup, tapos salad. Yung main course, yung meal, i-serve daw dito. Nagpamanyahin kayo mo naman, they would take it. No one would be interested in this. Lagyan mo na lang dyan. I'm just gonna grab some soup and this is our lunch for today. Look. Nice grabbing some vegetable salad because she likes it. Okay, so we're gonna eat first. Bye-bye. We're gonna use the washroom. Where's that washroom? Maybe one of these, eh? Ha? Panalaki yun, eh? Yan ma. Ayaw! Yan ma. Nani pala na yung statue. We went to the reception. Whoa! It's so refreshing. Love it. So nice. So washroom is so nice. Nice. Washroom is beautiful.
Vibrator niya.
So,
Singawan, no?
we're gonna explore the... check tayo pa yung before we go to the portable sa ride. Let's check the surrounding areas here. So see, actually there's a jeep now waiting for us, like for the tourist. Wow, tourist. Lakas mga tourist. Mo tayo. Oh, parentals. Oh. Tara, let's go, ma.
Ayan. Lalakad na. Okay, okay. Enjoy, enjoy. Ayos ba? Enjoy lang. Ang ganda rito, oh. Ganda, mga tanawin, oh. Ay! Tingnan mo, nak! Dali! Video ba to? Video? Bakit ako nakukuha? Tataga ako eh.
Kulot.
Ayun. Enjoy lang. Ang ganda ng mga tanawin, no?
Sa balitan.
Dito kami sa Bagak, Bataan. Ganda, oh.
Hi, let's go to the church.
Let's go to church, oh. Punta kami ng church sa Bagak. Bagak, Bataan. Ganda, oh. Yeah. Good afternoon po. Yan. Init. Kami sa Bagak, Bataan. Ayan, kumuha ng trato. Ma. Ganda ng view. Dito kami sa Bagak, Bataan. Ha?
Tara mo ako dito. Okay, wait. Turn off muna na.
Ito ang ano, oh.
So, si tatay pinag-video ko. Yung mukha niya yung nakain.
Ha?
Kulot! I wish you're here. Maingit ka muna.
Siya na, anak.
Sensya na, weather lang.
Weather lang.
Okay, so we're gonna check out that beautiful church.
Full church, oh.
It looks like the Barasoing Church in
You
Bulacan.
look that.
Okay, I can't wait. There, just waiting.
Beautiful view.
What's gonna happen is after lunch, we can just walk around here and then we can go ride the jeep going to Casa Lubak. But for now, we're gonna explore this area. It's so nice. It's beautiful. It's huge. Look at the view. 360 degrees view. Paalis po lang sa pinsa paapat, pumasok. Salamat po. Okay, so what are we gonna do? So we have to remove our shoes. Let's just put it here, Tay. Wala ba lalagyan? Nothing, no? So let's just remove our shoes here. Tay, dito.
I guess pwede na lang eh.
Yep.
Sa medyas ako eh.
Oh yeah. You can just... Dito, lagyan mo na lang dito, tatay. Okay, so we're going inside the church. Wow.
Ano, malinis eh.
Oo nga. Ganda, ang ganda. Look at that. I think you can go inside, ma. You can walk.